AI is changing how software gets built. There's never been a better time to start building. Every day there's more to learn. New courses, new tutorials, new videos, new models, new AI tools. It never stops. Where do you even start? A new way of building is emerging. Vibe coding. Ideas are turning into software faster than ever. Tools like Claude and Codex turn ideas into real software. It's never been easier to ship apps with prompting. Start with an idea. The rest can be built. The possibilities are endless. I took a chance on myself. Here's where it led. Here are some of the projects I've built. Bash AI. Swiggy bot. Number out. Pacman. Fantasy AI manager. Every project started the same way. Built with curiosity, built with AI, built by learning. You don't need to be an expert, you don't need to have it all figured out. Start by coding one prompt at a time. I'm just getting started, and I'd love for you to build and learn alongside me. I'm sharing my YouTube journey. Subscribe and join the journey. Thanks for watching.